So as you can tell, Arad's car is kind of messed up. Every time he's in a complete stop, his car like stalls out, but it's not supposed to because it's automatic. So right now what we're gonna do, or what we just did, is we put some of the injector cleaner. It's a whole bottle. You could get this for like $5 at AutoZone.
It's $4.
$4.
If you buy the special, 2 by $8.
Exactly. And we're also gonna, because we're pretty sure there's a lot of dirt in the intake, so we're gonna put some of this throttle body and air intake cleaner at AutoZone. We also got it for like $6, $5. Yeah, so yeah, just stay tuned. We're gonna hopefully fix this car.
So where exactly does the fuel?
Oh yeah, this one you just place it in here in the gas tank, and yeah, hopefully it's good. And also they say that it's supposed to, like, once you put this liquid, that the car is gonna be smoking for like 2 minutes,
Yeah,
something like that. But yeah, but it's supposed to be burning all the bad stuff and stuff.
It helps to clean the gas lines throughout the motor, so the gas can flow even easier than before. And then where does that one go at?
Oh, this one, well, obviously it goes to your air intake. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take out his air intakes and just like spray it out, and the inside maybe, I don't know. Yeah, so yeah, pretty much. Hopefully it works. All right, so right now what we're doing is we're basically squirting some of that good inside the valve.
It's actually
That good.
but can you also clean the
Yeah, this thing.
very thick
Metal part.
yeah, not the buckets. Well, it's to clean it, just to like it can be more cleaner, so air can pass through. Because of all the dirt that was getting through, I don't know if you can see it. You can see mud and air. So you just put what you think you're supposed to put, like a little bit more than what you think.
Yeah, he's like overfilling it. JDM. Oh Lord! Jesus! Oh my goodness! Nigga trying to kill me over here. Oh Jesus! Oh Lord! Those mods. All right, so right now we're gonna continue working on it.
Oh fuck. So this is how you pass a towel.
Damn!
That's how you do it. Just like clean the fuck out of it.
Oh my God! Let's check out his car while he goes into YouTube. Look at that security. Jesus! Don't mess with that eye. You're trying to steal his car? It's impossible. Look at that. Anyways, look how dirty this shit is. Doesn't even clean it. Damn, it gives his car personality with that. Let's follow him. Welcome to our crib. That's inside his crib.
As you can see, it sprays. So we have to do is open the throttle.
The throttle. Look at that throttle.
And press. Oh fuck, it's hard.
What a dumbass.
So, as I was saying, throttle. Oh, look at that dirty ass. And you get a napkin and clean. Oh, fuck, it's hard. Clean it all off.
Damn! Honda, that Honda life.
See all this dirty ass thing that was inside the throttle?
Damn, it looks like your girl's pussy.
I know. You get them really damn.
Oh yeah, feeling it real good. Damn, that thing's all black.
car works after this. Let's go and have a car.
I finally got a job interview.
I can call it, you know.
Shut the fuck up. Chipotle is where I work. That's hit me up. I'm that takeout specialist, you know.
Then I have to do the same with this one, and we'll be all set. And then wait an hour until that shit dissolves, and you can turn the engine on, and it will smoke for a while until it cleans the motor out, and the RPMs will be in the correct shape for the motor to be stable.
Oh yeah? Oh, okay. So I'm inside pressing that gas pedal for that's retard over there. Yeah, look at this amazing view of the car.
So basically, I'm done doing that thing, and we're all set. We have to wait approximately 8 hours from now. It's 4:15. We have to wait until 5:15, and we can turn the engine on, and we'll be all mint.
Basically, we took off the whole bumper, which is right here, and we're gonna try to take out that air filter to see if that's the problem, to see if it's full of dirt. So yeah, pretty much. That's struggling. The struggle is real. Just look at his face of struggleness.
I need a screwdriver. So basically, to take out the front bumper, you guys have to take out the corner lights, and then take out this bolt and the back bolt on both sides. Take out this bolt, taking out the headlight, but we just ghetto and haggard. Like a rush, and we just rip it apart.
Yeah,
We didn't care about. I didn't care about this bumper anymore.
because it was shit. It looked like shit, honestly.
I don't know why.
Yeah, the original. This one, he would always be scraping with this bumper, so.
Not the fucking JDM right here.
Yeah, JDM as fuck, look at that. Drifters, exactly.
So this air filter used to be blue. Look all that. Look, it's turning blue. It used to be blue.
I guess that is the reason why your car wasn't running.
So this is my main reason why my car was not even running. It was all clogged up with dirt.
How the hell?
You can see it's kind of bluish now. So I'm gonna continue until I clean it, and it's gonna be fully blue again.
Right now, I don't know what that's trying to take out. It was supposed to be like a little can where the dirt goes, but there wasn't shit. Mostly, all the dirt was in the filter.
I guess it was. I guess I'm right.
He got some in his ass. That's what he said. He's gonna squirt some of that good. Ooh. Ooh. Ooh, shake it real good. Oh, Lord.
Not squirt, bitch. Oh yeah, this one.
Oh my God, JDM.
So as you guys already see, I already cleaned the air filter. It's looking pretty nice from all the dirt that was on the filter. And it's about time to turn the car on. So I'm just gonna put this thing wipe on the quicks and put everything back together, and hopefully the car runs once again.
We finally finished installing everything back, and this is a moment of truth to see if Arat's car still runs like a champ. Hopefully, yep. Not really. No, yeah, hopefully. So yeah, let's see, and let's see if it runs again. He's about to turn it on. It's a little bit windy, sorry about that, guys. Today, Arat. Here goes nothing. running again. It's not even smoking. We did it, high five. Cool.
The car is not running, so I don't know, some shit.
Some shit. Now we're gonna go drift it again, right? We're gonna go drift it right now. Alright then.